Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video, we will talk about a very important topic and I am sure that this topic will be important for everyone. So guys, we already know that income which arises from house property is income taxed under income from house property. So we will on the basis of this, we also know tax treatment about that. It is very easy, but sometimes it becomes complex. How it becomes complex, I will tell you that sometimes it happens. Situations come that a owner of a house property gives his property or at rent to someone, and that person again give rent to someone. Here the that person which is known as tenants subletting of that house property to someone. So here the tax treatment becomes very complex. So in this situation, we will guide you how what to do and what to not do. So guys, without wasting our time, first clear this doubt.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. In today's video session, we shall discuss tax treatment of income arising from subletting of house property. We all know that any income derived from letting out a house property is taxed under the head income from house property. There is no confusion at all. But sometimes the person who has taken the house property on rent, that is tenant, sublets it to another person, which is known as subletting of the house property. In the second case, where the tenant sublets the house property and derives income from subletting, under income tax, in which head that income is chargeable. Let us make it clear. The question is, if any tenant sublets the house property, then the income derived from the subletting is taxable under which head? We shall discuss about the question and answer elaborately, but before that, let us see the related provision of the income tax law, which is on your screen. Let us read it. Income tax treatment of income from subletting of house property. Rental income in the hands of owner is charged to tax under the head income from house property. Rental income of a person other than owner cannot be charged to tax under the head income from house property. Hence, rental income received by a tenant from subletting cannot be charged to tax under the head income from house property. Such income is taxable under the head income from other sources or profits and gains from business or profession, as the case may be. So viewers, in this connection, the income tax law is quite clear. There are various conditions which must be fulfilled to tax a particular income under the head income from house property. One of the important conditions which must be fulfilled to bring that particular income under the head house property is that the person who is receiving the income from letting out the property must be the owner of the property. If this condition is not satisfied, means if the person is not the owner of the house property, then that income cannot be taxed under the head income from house property. In case subletting of house property, the tenant is not the owner of the house property. So in this connection, any income derived by the tenant from subletting the house property cannot be taxed under the head income from house property. If it is not taxed under the head income from house property, then where it is taxed? Because in income tax there are 5 heads and the income is taxable any one of the 5 heads. So in this particular situation, income derived from subletting of the house property is taxed under the head income from other sources, or it may be taxed under the head income from business or profession. But it is most suitable and justifiable to treat the income from other sources. So before concluding the session, I shall once reiterate to state that income derived from subletting of the house property is taxed under the head income from other sources in the income tax computation of the tenant. Hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any comment or suggestion or any question, please write in the comment box. If anyone wants to take income tax TDS and GST filing training with us, please write for the prospectus in the description box. WhatsApp number given is there. Thanks for watching.